exclamation point shop. Make sure you get those in. I'm doing a ship today. I usually work during the week. I'm off today, so I can do it today. I could potentially ship tomorrow as well, but Fridays and Saturdays are going to be days that I'm able to actually go ship. So make sure you guys, if you guys do want to get orders in today, I'll be able to get them out. Okay, I'm moving, guys. Holy frick, I'm moving. Have a good day, John. Dude, thank you so much for freaking blessing us today. Thank you for blessing us today, John. I really do appreciate it, man. Holy frick, guys. Chat, y'all freaking splashed out today. I'm not gonna lie. I almost got 100 subs today, chat. I almost got 100 subs today. I think I got like 85 subs or something crazy like that. Y'all are insane. Guys, tomorrow I will not be live in the morning. I don't think. Not early. I might be live. It depends. I got to talk to Sonya and see when she's planning on streaming with Rhea. I'm planning on streaming on Saturdays, but maybe Saturdays aren't my mornings anymore. Maybe we do something else. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Stay posted. Join the Discord so I can enlighten you guys whenever I make a decision on when I'm going live tomorrow. I'll let you know. There's two options. I can go live like after breakfast. You know, 9 a.m., something like that, and then that's a possibility. Or I could go live when Sonya goes and works out, which is probably more likely. Like, so Sonya usually goes and works out around noon or something like that. So maybe I go live around noon, stream for a few hours. Me and Amelia play some games. We do our community games, our community good gamers games. And then maybe after Sonya works out and whatnot, maybe she hops on and plays with Rhea. I don't know. That's just I'll figure out what's going on tomorrow. Wow. Yeah. Hey, I'll give you a call. I had a question. I had like an outage yesterday. And it fixed itself, which I don't know how long it was out, because it was out as I was about to leave, and I came back and it was working. It was working still. Like, the light went red for a little bit, then it went green. I don't know how long it took to go green, but when it went green again, it never fixed it. It never started working again. I actually had to unplug it and plug it in to get it to work. And because I did that, I think it's off of bridge mode now. I'm not sure if that's something I can change or not. I think now, because, you know, since I use my own router, I just prefer the Wi-Fi to be disconnected. But right now, the router's actually, I'm not exactly sure. Yeah. Just have him hit me up. Well, I'm gonna be out Monday and Tuesday. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday, something like that. Rhea, yeah. Hey, Rhea, what time are you gaming with Sonya tomorrow? What time are you gaming with Sonya tomorrow? I'm trying to figure that out right now. I'm gonna try to time my stream either before or after that or something, so that I can just leave it on so that Sonya can hop on. Your schedule is wide open for her. Well, you do you. Her schedule is wide open for you, and then I'm just gonna change my schedule on what you two decide. I'm gonna change my schedule based on what you two decide. Because I'm not doing like really early morning tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm sleeping in. I'm gonna do breakfast with the girls, and then I was either gonna like start streaming at like 8 or 9, or maybe around like noon or something. I don't know. It really doesn't matter. I got multiple options. That's so helpful. Not. I mean, what time were you planning on streaming? Enjoy that breakfast casserole. I need some breakfast casserole. Maybe I should learn how to make breakfast casserole. Actually, hey, while I'm here, I should probably do this. Let me ask you guys a question.
Happy Friday, brother.
Strix with 1,000 bits. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, bro. I shipped 4 packages so far, and they're all closed. My normal self. Okay. Uh-oh. I just messed up. I just messed up. Okay, I need to message Jonathan. I just fulfilled an order on mistake that I wasn't trying to fulfill. I had a test order.